What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about converting your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit card credit limit into cash. So kapag may credit card kayo guys sa BDO, which is yung BDO Shopmore Mastercard, pwede natin i-convert yung credit limit niya into cash. At saka huhulog-hulugan nyo na lang siya guys buwan-buwan kung magkano nga ba yung kinonvert ninyong credit limit into cash. Kasi meron dalawang paraan para ma-convert natin yung credit limit natin sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard into cash. Pag-uusapan natin yan sa vlog na ito. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag yung kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So ito guys, i-share ko sa inyo as you can see. You can convert your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit to cash through cash installment. So kasi huhulog-hulugan nyo siya guys kung magkano yung kinonvert niyo yung credit limit into cash. Magiging installment siya for a certain period of time. Kung ilang years or ilang months nyo siya hahayaan, ilang months nyo siya huhulugan pabalik sa BDO. Which allows you to get your credit limit as cash that you pay back in installment, tulad ng sabi ko, or by requesting a cash advance at an ATM. Kasi pwede siyang cash installment or cash advance. So, yung difference between the two, cash advance and cash installment, malalaman nyo later. For cash installment, you can apply online through BDO website or BDO Pay application, or visit BDO branch. So, pwede kayong pumunta kung may malapit na BDO branch sa inyo. Pwede kayong pumunta doon para sila yung mag-assist sa request ninyong converting your BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit limit into cash. Then, for cash advance naman, you will need a unique PIN to withdraw cash at ATM. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng cash advance? Guys, bakit kailangan ng unique pins? Kasi yung cash advance guys is agad-agad nyo siya makukuha. Compared to cash installment, there's a certain period of time or may araw na kailangan yung antayin para ma-process yung cash installment application ninyo. While cash advance is para kayong mag-withdraw ng savings ninyo. Yun nga lang, utang yun guys. Kasi it came from your BDO Shopmore credit card credit limit. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo guys, pagka-receive niyo ng sobre mula sa BDO, may makikita kayo doon yung card number, yung credit limit, at saka yung statement date. And then makikita nyo doon yung cash advance limit. Ito yung sinasabi dito na pwede siyang i-cash advance yung credit limit ninyo. At magkaiba yon compared to cash installment. So ito yung method 1 guys. This method allows you to convert a portion of your credit limit into cash with low monthly add-on rates. Low monthly add-on rates. It's because kapag nag-request kayo ng cash installment sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard ninyo, meron silang promo minsan guys na 0.45% lang, 0.49, 0.75, depende sa offer ni BDO sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard credit card na meron kayo. Then ngayon, compared to cash advance, mas mataas yung interest nun. So maya-maya, malalaman nyo pagdating sa cash advance option. So itong cash installment guys, yun nga lang yung downside niya. Tulad ng sabi ko, mag-aantay kayo ng certain period of time, like 5 days, ganyan, before nyo makukuha yung pera. While yung cash advance is real-time siya. So ito yung method 1, yung cash installment nga. So ngayon, kung paano nga ba makapag-avail ng cash installment sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard nyo, so you can download BDO Pay app and click the cash installment icon to avail cash. So kapag may BDO Pay app kayo guys, siguro alam nyo naman, since may credit card kayo ni BDO, alam nyo na yung BDO Online at saka BDO Pay application. So kung first time nyo talaga guys magkaroon ng credit card ni BDO Shopmore Mastercard, tapos balak nyo kunin yung credit limit nyo, i-convert nyo into cash, medyo mangangapa talaga kayo of course. So ngayon, ang kailangan nyo gawin is i-enroll nyo muna yung credit card ninyo sa BDO Online. Kasi kapag may BDO Online na kayo, mabilis nyo lang ma-open yung BDO Pay app. Tapos ngayon, kung may video online naman na kayo, hindi nyo na kailangan yung video application. Optional na lang. Pag sinabing optional, kung kagustuhan nyo na lang, magkaroon din kayo ng account sa Video Pay application. Kasi the moment na nag-enroll kayo sa Video Online app, kasi before kayo makapag-enroll sa Video Pay application, kailangan nyo muna mag-enroll sa Video Online. So ngayon, kung paano mag-enroll sa Video Online guys, may tutorial din ako doon. Ililink ko na lang sa description guys kung paano ninyo i-enroll yung Video Shopmore Mastercard ninyo sa Video Online. Nasa description yun guys, kung paano yung enrollment process. So, log into your Video Online app. Kung halimbawa, may Video Online application na kayo, naka-enroll na yung Video Shopmore Mastercard credit card ninyo. So, mabilis na lang. All you have to do is just to log in to your Video Online app. Then, hanapin ninyo yung more. Kasi di pa pag-open ninyo ng Video Online, may options dyan. Send money, pay bills. So, hanapin ninyo yung more. Tapos pagka-pindot nyo ng more, may mga lalabas na options doon. Pindutin nyo yung installment offers and then select cash installment. Then pwede rin guys via in person. So kung may malapit na BDO branch sa inyo, punta na lang kayo doon. Bali yung regular interest guys ng cash installment sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard is 1%. Ngayon, antayin nyo na magkaroon ng offer para kahit pa paano mas mababa sa 1% yung magiging interest rate ng ika-cash installment ninyo sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard. So pagkapunta ninyo sa BDO branch, inform the teller na gusto nyo mag-cash installment sa BDO Shopmore Mastercard ninyo. Then dito na tayo ngayon sa cash advance guys, which is yung method 2. This method allows you to withdraw cash directly from your credit limit at an ATM. So, ibig sabihin, pwede kayo mag-withdraw dito diretso guys. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng mag-wait ng ilang araw, hindi nyo na kailangan i-apply kasi yun nga lang, kailangan nyo muna i-request yung BDO Cash Advance PIN. So, kailangan nyo muna tumawag sa BDO Customer Service para makapag-request ng BDO Cash Advance PIN. Sabihin nyo lang na yung BDO Shopmore Mastercard ninyo, gusto nyo magkaroon ng Cash Advance PIN. Then ngayon, ipaprocess nila yan, ipapadala sa billing address ninyo. So, make sure lang guys na yung billing address na yun is updated kung saan kayo nakatira para syempre ma-receive ninyo yung Cash Advance PIN na yun. Ito guys, tulad ng sabi ko, request PIN. If you don't already have a PIN, you will need to request one first. Tulad ng sabi ko, updated dapat yung address na yon. Na-explain ko naman na yung request a PIN. Then, withdraw cash. Go to any BDO or other accredited ATM. Kahit anong ATM yun guys. When we say ATM, automated teller machine, kung saan tayo nag-withdraw gamit yung debit card natin. Magkaiba naman yung debit card sa credit card guys ha. Kasi yung debit card sa savings yun. Credit card is uutang kayo sa bangko. Insert your card, use your cash advance PIN. So, di ba, kapag nag-withdraw tayo ng debit card natin, di ba may PIN tayo na nilalagay? Ganito din sa credit card. Yun nga lang, yung kaibahan sa credit card is nire-request natin yung cash advance PIN sa BDO Customer Service. Select the cash advance or cash withdrawal option and follow the on-screen instructions. Take note lang guys na si BDO ay nagcha-charge ng 200 pesos per transaction ng cash advance ay ni ATM yun. Halimbawa, nag-cash advance kayo ng 10,000. So, 400 pesos yung i-charge doon. At saka 3% yung tutubuin every month kung magkano yung kinash advance ninyo. Halimbawa, 10,000. So, 3% nun is 300 pesos. So, 300 pesos yung ipapatong bawat statement of account or statement date sa credit card ninyo. Hanggang sa matapos nyo nang bayaran yung kinash advance ninyo. So, I think that's all for now. So, sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. It's me again, Joseph Kate, that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!